Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a working clock out of paper. First, gather your materials: sturdy cardstock, a ruler, scissors, and a craft knife. You'll also need a pencil, a clock mechanism, a brad, and some strong adhesive. Selecting paper with at least a 65-pound weight ensures your clock will be robust and last a long time. Now, let's create the clock face. Begin by drawing a perfect circle on your chosen cardstock, aiming for about 8 inches in diameter. Use a ruler and protractor for accuracy. Next, mark 12 evenly spaced points around the circle's edge. These will be your hour indicators. Carefully cut out the circle using sharp scissors or a craft knife for a clean edge. With your clock face ready, it's time to attach the mechanism. First, punch a small, precise hole exactly in the center of your paper clock face. This is crucial for accurate timekeeping. Carefully insert the clock mechanism's shaft through this central hole from the front. Then, on the back, secure the mechanism firmly using its provided washer and nut, ensuring it's snug but not overly tight. For the final steps, attach the clock hands. Carefully place the hour minute, and then the second hand onto the mechanism's shaft, following the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure they are aligned and can move freely without any obstruction or touching each other or the clock face. Finally, insert a single AA battery into the mechanism and watch your handmade paper clock come to life, ready to tell time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.